In this video, I'll be showing you how to take an already built Docker container and publishing it to the GitHub registry. This is a great way of sharing your container with others or making it available to continuous integration or deployment pipelines. So let's get started. In order to show how this is done, I'm going to use our previous Laravel project, but this will work for any container you have successfully built. Feel free to check out this video first if you need a starting point. If you don't have a project on GitHub, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your GitHub account and create a new repository. Now before we start building and tagging our image, there's a small change we need to make to our Dockerfile. The label tag tells GitHub where our source is located. The next thing we'll need to do is log into the GitHub registry using the Docker command line interface. Now you can't just log into the registry using your GitHub username and password. We'll have to go into GitHub and create a token. You should always give your tokens the least privilege possible, so in this case all we need is write packages. Click on Generate to create the token and copy the password. Now we can use our new token to log into the container registry. Simply put your username and for the password use the token that you've just generated. Next we'll need to tag our image with the format required by GitHub. There's a couple of ways you can do this, but in our case we'll add the necessary tags at build time. We're going to tag our image with two tags. Firstly, latest, which is a special case tag used by GitHub and other systems to define the latest version of this container, and secondly, a version number. Now that our container is built and tagged, we can push this to the registry. For now, we'll push both of our tags separately, but you can use the -a flag to push all tags. Head back over to GitHub and you should see your package available on the right hand side. If we click into this, we should see that our image has been tagged with latest and version 0.1. As a quick experiment, let's change our tag to 0.2. Now when we build and push our container, version 0.2 becomes the latest, but version 0.1 is still referenceable from our registry. And that's it! Your container images are now published on the GitHub registry and are ready to be used by others. You can also use the GitHub registry to manage access to your container images and to set up continuous integration and deployment pipelines. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. And again, please consider subscribing to this channel for more additional content on the kind of stuff we're interested in.